import face-off fans. We're about to head to Topeka, and look at that. It's still dark outside. It's nice and cold. We like it. And as Cliff slowly slides out of frame, check this out. What's replacing it? This is the Acura NSX. This guy right here. We're gonna take this to the airport for the first time ever. Now we're keeping the miles on it low, but you know, like a good date, we've got to get the juices flowing in it once in a while. This right here behind me could be yours, Cliff as well, but mainly the NSX. Guys, importfaceoff.net. Just buy your tickets online. And yeah, any event for 2019, and this car right here, look through Cliff. That could be your daily.
Sorry ass DJ.
Oh, BDH Racing, Kansas City, representing.
Year, make, and model.
This is a 1983 Mazda RX-7.
What size motor?
That's a 1.3 liter, Papa.
Rotary.
Rotary engine.
What
yes,
size
sir.
turbo?
It has two turbos. Actually, it has an 88 millimeter and a 106 millimeter filling up this small turbo. It's a compound setup.
What transmission?
We got a G-Force transmission on it, 5-speed.
Have you been on the dyno? What's the latest dyno?
Oh Jesus! Last time we went on the dyno, the clutch slipped.
Okay.
So,
How many pounds of boost?
Anywhere between 50 pounds and 60, somewhere there.
And what's your personal best?
This is our personal best, 7.0.
And what was the mile an hour? What's your best mile an hour?
Our best mile an hour before was 196. I don't know what this run is.
Okay.
We were about to get it, but.
And tell the viewers here what happened. It's drag racing. It happens.
The parachute broke. The string broke when it opened up halfway. I don't know why. It's a
Hey,
new
good
tube.
news though. The driver's fine, and the car looks good
Driver's
too, right?
fine. The car is fine. We're just gonna put a new chute on it and call it good and go run some sixes. That's what the plan is.
Good luck, boss.
Hey, thank you, IFO. The original series, where we started with this car, we were running 9A, 99, and 10.0.
And you're here today.
Yeah, we're
Thank
here
you.
today representing.
Thank
And,
you.
I want to personally say thanks to Cliff and all the crew at IFO.
Thank you so much.
They've done in that rose.
Josh Luck. I'm from Tucson, Missouri.
Year, make, and model.
97 Acura Integra.
What size motor?
It's a 1.9 liter
GSR motor?
GSR.
B series?
Yeah, straight GSR.
What transmission?
It's got a PPG in it.
What size turbo?
It's a Precision 7285 Gen 2.
How many pounds of boost?
That pass was 46.
What was your latest dyno?
9 something. We never get told the tire on the dyno, so.
What's your best ET?
That was it. 853.
Awesome.
183.
And your best mile an hour?
Yep. Both.
Awesome.
Pass.
Congrats. And your #1 qualifier, right?
Yep.
All right. Good luck. Have fun. Be safe. Okay, so I'm just now finding out, I've been super busy today, that we had a crash on the drag strip. It's drag racing, it happens, but thankfully you were here, you walked away, and the car looks like it's, I tell you what, let's take a look at this car. What happened here, boss? What do you think happened?
From what I can tell, something let loose on this corner of the car. And it's completely separated, and then it dove the other way into the wall. That fender flew away.
Fender's gone.
Smoke, but this side is more or less okay. So
That was the wall tab.
that was the wall tab.
And this
side
happened
never
at
touched the wall.
170.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you're here, man. I like,
Me too.
yeah. Hey, it's drag racing, but you are gonna come back, right?
That's right.
And you're gonna kick ass. You were #1 qualifier, right?
was.
And you ran your personal best.
Yep.
Dude.
And actually, the funny thing, it ran the exact same ET to the 1,000th of a second on the pass that I wrecked.
Oh my goodness. So it happened at shutdown. Wow.
8531. So
Man, you've got a great outlook on it. We're sad that it happened, but you're safe, and well, you're here to race another day. Do you mind taking Tara drifting?
Oh yeah. Just a second. Let me warm it up.
Like that? What's your name, boss, and where are you from?
I'm Matt Davis from Kansas City.
Year, make, and model.
It's a 95 Acura Integra.
What motor?
It's a B series 2.0 liter,
What size turbo?
6785 precision.
What transmission?
It's a G-force dog box.
How many pounds of boost?
48ish.
What's your latest dyno?
1200ish.
What's your best ET?
870 at 174.
And what's the most badass thing about owning and driving an 8-second Integra?
Beat V8s and domestics. I love beat domestics. It's fun.
Great answer. All right, have fun. Be safe.
Thank you. Welcome to it here. Integra, 3, 2, 1.
I've seen some wild builds with our European cars, like crazy things, wide bodies wider than a freaking house. But I've never seen something quite like what you're driving.
Yeah.
What's your
that's
name,
right.
my man?
Amir.
Amir. All right, so Amir, I need to know the inspiration for this build.
Full send. Just do it.
Full send. Okay, I think I have a shirt that says
Yeah.
that. That's awesome. So what's the 3 coolest things about this car?
The wheels alone, custom-made forged wheels, same
Okay.
size as a Lamborghini Countach.
So Lamborghini Countach wheels
That's right.
on a Mini.
On a Mini, so 345s on a Mini. There's 3 wings on it,
3.
3 wings, and an imported exhaust.
So when you had 2 wings on it and you decided one more.
One more.
Okay, I dig it. And
right.
and something else, something about the front of this car. Like, what are we looking at on the front of this car?
That is a blower that goes straight into the intake. It's fully functional, moves and everything.
This thing looks like a car that, like, I'd be playing a video game, and when I got to the last boss, this car is the last boss.
That's right.
I love it. I mean, thank you very, very
Yeah,
much.
absolutely.
Totally fine. Okay, cool.
So anything goes here. An import face-off. We never know what's gonna happen next. Like our boy in the Honda thing right behind me. He maybe he's had one energy drink too many.
So I'm here with our IFO model Tara, Instagram.
Girl.almighty19.
She had a little bit of a mishap today, an accident. Hey, it happens. The thumb. may or may not be broken. She went to the ER and she's back to finish the day. Tara, this is for you. You're such a badass. Thank you for everything. And thanks for coming out.
Thank you so much.
With her broken thumb, and she's still here. Y'all give it up for Tara.